Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson of English for this week, and in this instruction video I tell you exactly what to do for this lesson on Thursday. We start with a brand new folder 6, called It's All About the Money, a folder in which we are going to deal with some items such as the different kinds of student jobs you can do. We are going to learn a new tense, well, two new tenses, the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous. We will write an email to a pen friend, and we prepare and conduct a job interview as an oral exercise. That is. Pay attention, because I'm going through the course in a quick pace, and I will tell you exactly what to do. You prepare all the exercises I ask you to prepare, and we will have a correction the lesson afterwards, and in class you can ask questions. Okay. We skip the first part for most of it. Just have a look. It's about pocket money we are going to talk today, and you see in the chart why parents pay pocket money to their children. And as you see, a quarter of the parents give their children pocket money because of their good behavior. Also, for doing homework, some give pocket money just for free as a reward if you help in the household, if you help with the pet of the family, and for good school grades. Maybe you recognize some of those reasons why you get your pocket money. Okay, first thing you will have to do now is you are going to read the text which is on page 213, Cash in My Pocket, that text is called, and then you ask some questions about it. Okay, so you answer some questions about it. It's not very difficult. This is the text I was referring to. Then we skip 2.2, and then we go to 3. Just exercise 3. 3.1, we have some pictures here, and there are some sentences here in the box. It is the idea that you match the correct picture or the correct sentence to the picture which you can see. So for instance, here, what does it show? It shows that John has fought with a dog, and you can see the result right here. You can do the other exercises on your own pace. You know that you can pause this video and then you can continue with the rest of the exercise. Then at the bottom of the page you have a box with some language information, and then we have a grammar item. Listen carefully to this grammar item, because I will explain it to you. We are talking about a new tense, the present perfect simple, and we also have the present perfect continuous. The present perfect simple, to start with, is not very difficult. You use a form of has or have, so the verb to have. You know, in the third person singular it is has, but all the other forms are have, and you add the past participle. Sorry. The past participle, perhaps you remember that, is the third word in the box you had to learn about the irregular verbs. Perhaps you remember, here you have, I have ironed a mountain of shirts for Mum. It's of course a regular verb, but this one is to fight, and you remember from the box, to fight fought. It is the third or the second fought we use, which is the past participle. Also here, to eat, ate, eaten. So we use the third word from the box. Have you already eaten something? Yes, I have. So this is how we form the present perfect simple, a form of to have plus the past participle. Then the present perfect continuous is more or less the same. We again use a form of to have, has or have that is, and we add been, which is the past participle of to be, and then we just add the ing form as in the other continuous tenses we know. So, for instance, you have I been reading the wrong text? Or have you been dancing since you were young? Or Tom hasn't been working as a babysitter. So if you see the word been in the sentence, you know it is the present perfect continuous. Continuous also refers to the fact that it has an ing form. Okay? That is the grammar for now. It's how you form these tenses. How to use them, I will explain to you later. Okay, I want you to do now exercise 3.2. Then you continue, you read the text, and you can continue with exercise 4. I will give you an example for you. The Robinsons have been working very hard to get their B&B ready for the summer season. Write down what they have done to get this beautiful result using the verbs in brackets. So here you use the present perfect simple. Cut the grass. They have cut the grass. You can do all those sentences starting with the word they. Okay? Good luck with that. So you only have to you always have to add have to. That's quite logic because there is no third person singular. Then you would have had has, but that is not the case. And then as a last thing for this lesson, I want you to do exercise 4.2. The question here is, how long have the Robinsons been working to get their B&B ready in time? And build the sentences using the time indications. This is a time indication. Use the verb from the previous exercises. So for 3 hours, that becomes then, they have been cutting the grass for 3 hours. We use a present perfect continuous here. So for all the other sentences, use the present perfect continuous. I will do one more to help you. For 5 days, what do you fill in here? They have been removing the grass for 5 days. So that will be all for today. The instruction video is only about 9 minutes, but of course you have some extra work to do now the next 20 minutes, let's say, and then you probably will have done everything. Good luck, and we will be hearing each other tomorrow. Bye bye.